because that one-to-one coordinator just ensures that two people meet, and possibilities that could be the biggest time to sleep which should come out. You agree with me?
Yes.
Let me tell you, socials, for you socials is such a big thing. The entire Bangalore region knows this is a socials, the success of this chapter erupts out of socials. Agree with me?
Yes.
Everything, the event spot, every aspect is very, very crucial. Otherwise, let me tell you, if you as a role coordinator think, my job is 22 people you will take along with you and kill them. This is all a mind frame. This is all a mind frame. There was this, fire, last 1 minute I think, there was a fire in the jungle. And all the animals, when your house is on fire, who's the first one to do something about it? When my house is on fire, who will do first? I have to. So all the animals were, putting in efforts to douse the fire. There was these elephants. Now these are amazing creatures, okay? They go to the water source, they suck a lot of water in their trunk, huge ones, okay? And they come and pour it on the fire. Common sense, Alva? Yes. Now all animals were putting efforts. Now there was this bird also, okay? Small little putty sparrow. Okay? Now that Sparrow's house was also on fire. So Sparrow went to the water source. It struggled a lot, went little bit. Perhaps few drops of water inside the beak, and then it would come and it will put that water. The funniest part was, before the water could rouse the fire, the water will evaporate what happens to the water. It evaporates as water vapor. Now, this was amusing. The elephant came up to, elephant felt bad. The elephant told the sparrow, Tangi, listen, this, you're struggling, I've seen. You do one thing, I want to help you. Do one thing, sit on my shoulders. I will go once to the water source. I will get a lot of water. In fact, once I take, it will be much, much more than what you do for 1 week. I'll pour the water in your name. You should listen what the sparrow told. Listen to this carefully. And this is for each and every coordinator who is already a coordinator or who is going to be appointed as coordinator. Listen to this word, because after listening to this, my way of thinking changed few years back. This sparrow changed my mentality. That sparrow said, it said, Anna, I know you have a good heart. You will help me. I have no doubt in that. But tomorrow when the history is going to be written, I want my name in the list which said the people who helped putting down the fire. And I do not want to be in the list of people who are watching, standing by. The question is, Yalexa is growing. It's growing. We are consistently on top. You need to take credit. Each and every person need to take credit for that. Especially coordinators. By some, you people are putting efforts. But if you want to stay on top, the one thing which you need to understand is every small thing matters. I want everybody to give a high five to your neighbor and say, small things matter. Yeah? Thank you so much. Love you guys. I wish to see you, Alexa, on the top just as much as you want to see yourself on the top. You want to see on the top, yeah? Yes. So any responsibility coming from the table, never say no, because this is my house. And if I believe this is my house, it's my responsibility to be on the top. Thank you so much.